tried to go live a little bit earlier on from this location, and I doubt there was any success, to be honest with you, in any of this. In fact, I predict it was pretty awful. So I thought I'd use this time to, one, get some exercise in, and two, make a quick video of what's in my bag. Normally when I travel, and I have my GoPro with me, this is what I travel with. I'll have two of these little Walmart batteries. I think this is a 10,000, the other one's like a 5,000 or something. Always keep them charged, fully charged before I have to travel. Always ensure that they are charged up just in case. I'll also have my T-Mobile little device. All I know is it gives you internet. That's useless information, I know. However, it does work sort of from time to time. I then have a charging cable for it in case I run out of power. Little tripod, even though I don't need it under normal circumstances. Sometimes I suppose I would. Extra battery, I suppose this is fairly important. If I owned a GoPro, you know how things go. This is vital to have multiple batteries. Then this USB-C to charge the GoPro with. I also have my phone, which is my iPhone, with which I use to connect to the GoPro. All in one place, ensure that it's always charged, ensure that everything's working, and so on. This gets checked every single time before I go out and I start filming. So this is the GoPro. I did quite a bit of recording on it today, so I used it quite a bit today. I even went live with it, even though it was complete rubbish. But the fact that you can do that with this little guy is phenomenal. I love that about it. As a device, this guy is pretty phenomenal. And the fact that it has this little screen in front is pretty fantastic. The fact that you can connect this to your phone is just phenomenal. But yeah, so I mean, that's it. It works well. I like it, for the most part at least. But yeah, that's really what I have on me and with me. So if you have a question, go ahead and drop me a comment. If you find this content interesting, kind of interesting, please feel free to subscribe. However, for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day.